Hey there everybody, I'm Chris with Seymour Starts, and I'm very excited. Our local farmers market here in Port Orchard, Washington is starting up on the 17th of April. That's less than a week now, and it's going to be open from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. every Saturday until October. And I'm excited. I have a lot of starts that I'm going to be selling. Along with the starts, of course, at every farmer's market around, you should be able to get yourself some fresh produce. Heck, our farmer's market even has fresh oysters and razor clams. Got to get there early though, because they go pretty fast. On top of the produce and starts like myself, we have flower vendors that come down that have beautiful bouquets of flowers. We also have a lot of crafters. Now, our crafters are all local, and they are artists. Every single one of them is a special artist in their own way. They put everything together with their two hands, and when they put these things together, they come down and sell it to you, and you'd have a one-of-a-kind item that nobody else would have. And I love it. I go down there even when I'm done with my start sales, which last a couple months, and I'll come down and I'll see what's new there, along with maybe pick up something that I might not have grown. Last year I ran out of onions, went down to the farmer's market and picked up some onions. Also picked up some gifts for my family. But the farmer's market has a lot to offer you, and you need to come down quite a bit and check it out. We also have a lot of food vendors. Let's say you go down there and you're hungry. Well, pick yourself up some Hawaiian food, or pick yourself up some steaks or kettle corn to take home. Every region has their own little niche with their farmers markets, but if you don't go and check it out, you can't see what they have. So once again, go check out your local farmers market. It's well worth it, and it's outside and it's fun to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a big thumbs up, and happy gardening, and have a great day.